I'm in Macomb County on Hall Road. They're putting French drains underneath the new road. They're redoing Hall Road. And there's a lot of money being spent, and they're doing it the right way. Now, the fabric that we use in our French drains, we always try to educate our clients and tell them, look, you don't want to use a landscape fabric. A landscape fabric does not drain. Weed barrier, fabrics that are meant for, you know, structural strength behind a retaining wall, things like that. They're not intended for a French drain. So you want to buy a filter fabric that's intended for a drain system. This is the same fabric that we use. They're running 6-inch, and it looks like they got it spaced out 15 to 20 feet. And they're putting a bed of sand down. Over top of this, they're going to put a highway fabric and then lay the limestone down, then roll that, compact that, and then pour the concrete over it. For a French drain system done right, give us a call.